Hello guys, welcome back to Honeybee Adventures. Today is the day 2. I am at Narkanda. Look at the view. Isn't it beautiful? My name is Akshay. It's day 2 cycling from Narkanda. We are going to Rampur Bashir. Lovely view here. It's mostly all downhill. My bike is parked there. And okay, let the car go. Let's see how it goes. See you on the road. Bye bye. Hi guys, welcome back. It's all downhill, around 25 kilometers from Narkanda right now, past Kumar Sen, and look at this view. Yep, you can see the river Spiti flowing below. I hope you can see it. Beautiful, beautiful. The temperature is perfect. The first day was all uphill ride. Second day is all downhill. So I'm just enjoying to go on the road. See you on the road. Bye bye. Waterfall, beautiful. Can't get much better. Wow. Had a small one uphill climb. Look at the view. Isn't it beautiful? valleys are beautiful. Around 15-18 kilometers to go to Rampur Bashir. Right now is around 10:45. We are close there. If we reach early, थोड़ा आगे जाके रुकेंगे. रामपुर के आगे कुछ रुकने की जगह होगी तो वहाँ पे रुकेंगे. लंच चाहिए तो रामपुर में करेंगे. We'll have lunch in Rampur. But yeah, all of you guys need to try this. Look at the river, man. 5 kilometers before Rampur Bashir, and here I am beside Satluj river. कितनी शांत है ये नदी at this moment. Of course, बारिश में तो ये कहर ढाटी होगी. But right now it's so serene, calm and beautiful. Look at it. It's around 11:30, 11:35 right now. I started my journey around 8:30 from Narkanda. It's just 4 kilometers here or 5 kilometers to Rampur Bashir. The road is beautiful, beautiful. Might be having lunch here. शायद आगे जाखरी तक जाऊँगा. अगर नहीं जा पाया तो इधर रुक जाऊँगा. Let me see the town first. Finally reached Jeori, 97 kilometers, around 100 kilometers from Narkanda. Was a hectic day. First a downhill of around 30 to 35 kilometers, then the straight route, beautiful route through the Satluj river, and then uphill climb till here. This is my room. It's a bit costly, yeah, but the view is beautiful. Yes, that's the view. That's for the day. I'll have my dinner later. Let me get fresh. Totally exhausted and tired of all the climbing upstairs. Bye bye. Finally we get to see Satluj river. या मेरे पीछे सतलज रिवर है. नदी जो इंडिया से जाती है पाकिस्तान और वहाँ से मिलती है अरेबियन सी. इट मीट्स इनटू अरेबियन सी फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान. दिस इज हाउ एग्जैक्टली इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम बेसिकली. नहीं है रक्षा है.